Welcome to GB Automobile 237. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 essential secrets to extending the lifespan of your car to 300,000 miles and beyond. Did you know that most vehicles don't exceed 150,000 miles simply because their owners neglect simple but crucial steps? Imagine a car that runs perfectly for 15 or 20 years, saving you costly repairs and sparing you from buying a new vehicle too soon. Sounds impossible? Not at all. With these tips, you can transform your driving experience and maximize your car's durability. The first secret is to ensure regular and rigorous maintenance of your vehicle. It may seem obvious, but many drivers neglect simple tasks like oil changes or fluid level checks. Changing your oil and filters every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, as recommended by manufacturers, ensures optimal lubrication and prevents premature wear of internal components. Fluids such as coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid also play vital roles. For example, replacing the coolant every 5 years prevents internal engine corrosion. Additionally, components like spark plugs and air filters directly influence engine performance. Clean or replace them regularly to avoid excessive fuel consumption and power loss. The second secret lies in your driving style. How you drive has a direct impact on your car's longevity. Avoid sudden accelerations and hard braking, as they put excessive strain on the engine, transmission, and even tires. Adopt a smooth and fluid driving style to reduce wear on mechanical components. Also, slow down on rough roads or speed bumps, as driving too fast over these obstacles can damage your suspension and even the chassis. Respect optimal engine speeds. Driving at excessively high speeds or maintaining high RPMs for extended periods can cause overheating and premature engine wear. Adjusting your driving habits not only improves your car's longevity, but also reduces fuel consumption, saving you money. Finally, the third secret to extending your car's lifespan is to monitor and replace worn parts. Automotive mechanics, like any system, are subject to natural wear and tear. However, regular inspections can prevent costly breakdowns. The timing belt, for example, is a critical component in cars equipped with a rubber belt. Replacing it on time, every 60,000 to 100,000 miles is recommended, can prevent catastrophic engine damage. Brakes, too, should be checked frequently. Worn brake pads increase the risk of accidents and can damage the discs if not replaced in time. Tires are also essential. Uneven wear or poor alignment can affect safety and increase fuel consumption. Ensure they are properly inflated and replace them as soon as they reach their wear limit. Lastly, shocks ensure a comfortable and safe ride. If they show signs of wear, such as loss of control or unusual noises, replace them immediately. These 3 secrets, regular maintenance, proper driving habits, and monitoring worn parts, are the pillars of a reliable and high-performing car. But that's not all. For enthusiasts who want to go further, investing in an OBD2 scanner can be an excellent idea. This easy-to-use tool allows you to quickly and easily detect mechanical problems before they become severe. It's an investment that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. By applying these tips, you'll not only extend your car's life, but also save thousands of dollars in the long run. Plus, you'll contribute to protecting the environment by reducing automotive waste. So, what are you waiting for to put these tips into practice? Don't forget to subscribe to GB Automobile 237 for more automotive tips and tricks. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And tell us in the comments, how many miles does your car have today? We look forward to reading your answers and seeing you for more automotive adventures. See you soon.